Good morning, students. I hope that you all are studying at home. Students, we have already learned two-letter word, three-letter words, four-letter words. Now, today we will learn five-letter words. Five-letter words means joining and writing five alphabets together to form spellings. Dear students, now let's read and learn five-letter words which we read, write and learn while studying in the classroom, in the school or in our home. Let's begin and read it one by one, the five-letter words. Five-letter words. About, A-B-O-B-E, about. Adult, A-D-U-L-T, adult. Beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Candy, C-A-N-D-Y, candy. Carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Daily, D-A-I-L-Y, daily. Daily, D-A-I-R-Y, daily. Elder, E-L-D-E-R, elder. Fancy, F-A-N-C-Y, fancy. Float, F-L-O-A-T, float. Giant, G-I-A-N-T, giant. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Hotel, H-O-T-E-L, hotel. Image, I-M-A-G-E, image. JB, J-E-L-L-Y, JB. Knock, K-N-O-C-K, knock. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. Madam, M-A-D-A-M, madam. Money, M-O-N-E-Y, money. Noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise. Noble, N-O-B-L-E, noble. Offer, O-F-F-E-R, offer. Organ, O-R-G-A-N, organ. Paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint. Peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace. Pinch, P-I-N-C-H, pinch. Quick, Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach. R-E-A-D-Y, ready. Rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough. Round, R-O-U-N-D, round. Scale, S-C-A-R-E, scale. Shade, S-H-A-D-E, shade. S-H-I-F-T, shift. State, S-E-A-T-E, state. Smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Test, T-A-S-T-E, test. Teach. T-E-A-C-H. Teach. Think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Value. V-A-L-U-E. Value. Visit. V-I-S-I-E. Visit. West. W-A-S-T. West. Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. Xerox. X-E-R-O-X. Xerox. Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Let's read these 5-letter words one more time. 5-letter words. Above. Adult. Beach. Brave. Candy. Carry. Baby. Baby. Elder. Fancy. Float. Giant. Happy. Hotel. Image. Jelly. Knock. Laugh. Learn. Madam. Money. Noise. Noble. Offer. Organ. Paint. Peace. Pinch. Quick. Reach. Ready. Rough. Round. Scare. Shed. Ship. Stay. Smoke. Test. Teach. Think. Under. Uncle. Value. Visit. West. V. Xerox. Young. Zebra. My dear students, from these 5-letter words, we are going to use 5-letter words in few sentences. Let us see the few examples of using 5-letter words in sentences. Example number 1. Birds are flying above the hill. Above is the 5-letter word used in this sentence. Second, we eat jam and bread. Bread is the 5-letter word used in this sentence. Third, my sister is elder to me. Elder is the 5-letter word used in this sentence. I am always happy. Happy is the 5-letter word used in this sentence. We learn and study in the school. Learn is the 5-letter word. I am reading one more time for you. These are the words. Above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. 5-letter word. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. 5-letter word. Elder. E-L-D-E-R. 5-letter word. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. 5-letter word. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. 5-letter word. Children, have you noticed that these 5-letter words are made from the A to Z alphabets, that is capital and small alphabets. I am sure that you all are learning, reading and studying at home. Study as well as enjoy. Also, if you read and learn, definitely you will get more and more knowledge. Do you know, student? Knowledge is power. Have a fabulous day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.